feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Woo, man, today's gonna be kind of interesting. We are going to be working on a Tesla. Gonna be doing some lighting in a Tesla, and then I'm gonna give you guys some updates and some reviews on some things, and that's it. Kind of give you guys a standpoint why I was lagging to put some videos up. Had a lot of things moving around and changing, and you know, just some crazy stuff happened, and some sad stuff too, and yeah. So let me just let's jump right into this video. Right now I'm on my way to my boys. My boy Renee, you know, with the i8, the almighty rapper, going to his house so that we can do this installation on this Tesla. So yeah, let me I'm on my way there, so I'll give you guys kind of a breakdown of what's going on. Clearly, as you guys can see, I posted that I have a new toy. For those of you that don't know, I sold the Mustang, the ProCharge Mustang. A buddy of mine really wanted it, offered me, you know, something I couldn't resist. It was, you know, basically two vehicles for one, and I couldn't say no. Two clean title tagged running cars, and you know me, I'm in the flip game, so I was like, why not? Let's do it. I'll do the flip. I'll take it. And so basically, you know, I got these two vehicles. I sold them both, got cash, you know, instantly. You know, I think maybe a week went by and I sold them both, and yeah, so I, you know, I've been wanting another bike, so I bought a Harley again. This time hoping to do some more vlogging with it and put it together a little bit more. So but then on the way home on that bike, it had broke down and I had to get it towed. So it was just like it's been a lot going on with me and cars, and the AMG was broken down for two weeks. Something happened. I was trying to switch from the tunes, and it just died on me pretty much, and it wouldn't start, and it was sitting for a while, and you know, yeah, no, so it died with me switching through tunes, and I had to basically, you know, let it sit because I was right in the middle of doing everything and moving these cars around and trying to figure out everything that was going on, and you know, and then I had bought the bike, and so I just had a lot of stuff going on. And then the worst part about all of it is I got a call on Saturday morning that my cousin that was in a few videos back, he passed away. So I've just been dealing with that, a lot of family stuff, you know. It's been kind of hard, so you know, it sucks, you know. He was a good viewer, and he always commented, you know, so I'm gonna miss him. But yeah, that's what I've been going through. That's kind of the quick update for you guys, and let's try to stay positive though, and yeah, let's get into today's video. Let's get this freaking Tesla's LEDs done. Let's go. Oh, and we're in the AMG right now. Yes, sir. So let's get to Renee's. Sheesh, just like that, we are at my boy Renee's right here with the i8. Turn this light on a little brighter for us. Look at him on the 22s. 22s on the i8. Looks good. Next vehicle up for a wrap is this Lexus. We got the bike, but here we are. Got the Tesla Model Plaid. Sheesh. Thing is wrapped with the carbon fiber chrome delete. It's nice. Got the bolt. Shoo. Yeah. Oh yeah. This here's a whippersnapper. Yeah, got the steering wheel. And today we're going to be doing some fun stuff. We got a box right here. If you don't know, now you know. We're doing some LED lighting. XK glow. Oh, and we're gonna do some baller. What is that? Radar?
Yeah.
Woo! radar and bracket. Sheesh. You guys gotta hit this guy up right here for your wrap needs. Look at him, he's getting his little paradox on right here. Look, check this out. All these rolls of wrap. Sheesh. Drop in the comments right now what color is your favorite out of this row. What color is your favorite? Yeah, so basically that's what's going on today. We're here messing with the Tesla. And yeah. So it actually looks like we're gonna be on hold because we don't have any of the fiber optic wires. So those are being next day shipped right now. So it looks like the Tesla Plaid is gonna be pushed till tomorrow. So we'll start that tomorrow. And so yeah, we're gonna pull in the Lexus right now so we can get a little stuff doing on with that one. What are the odds? Big old box, no optics. So is what it is. That's why you gotta check the label. Sheesh. Plaid. Super dope. So we just got the Lexus pulled in right now, and we're gonna start prepping the area. We're gonna just do a few things tonight on it. We're gonna start with the hood, but here's the color. It's a satin Nardo gray. It's pretty nice. And yeah, so we gotta clay bar this because you know it needs some love. So we're gonna get this started right now. I'm gonna put you guys on a little time lapse so you can watch us get this done, get this wrapped. And just like that, this hood is done. Nice and simple, looks fire. Has a pretty good transparent look to it. But that's how you wrap a hood in time lapse. Well, yeah, so now we just gotta wipe it down and then we go on to the next piece. And you just piece by piece till she's done. But sheesh, so this is just a day in the life at fucking Rap God right here, boy. Woo! Right here, so like I said, we got the wrap that's getting started. We got this one in. When we walk over here, you know. We got the i8, the door open. And we got the bike charging up, which is dead. And then we got the CLS. Sheesh. Yo, all right, that's gonna do it for today's video. I know it was kind of short, and you know, but it's just, yeah, I was just trying to get something out there for you guys, get some content, give you guys a little bit of an update as to what's been going on, and you know, just, you know, trying to get through, you know, right now these tough times and stuff like that, you know. But just definitely stay tuned for some more videos, and I appreciate every one of my subscribers, you know. And please like, comment, and subscribe if you're ready to see what's gonna continue on in this channel. So I'll see you guys on the next one, so let's go. you.